Shalom, shalom. This is Brother Wasilkamilbey, and we are Shamstoppers. Man, you know the title of this video is going to be called? She is praying on her children's downfall. She is praying on her children's downfall. Okay? Alright? That's what she's doing right now. Man, check this shit out. This is the greatest channel on YouTube. Okay? This is the greatest channel on YouTube. I don't give a fuck who don't like it. It's what I say, goddammit. If you don't like what I say, fly away. And look at this shit here. Didn't I tell you they're gonna be ready for y'all asses? This is why I said we the greatest channel on YouTube, because we sitting up here, we showing you what's going on. Right? Pro Bono Advanced Child Support, June 22nd, 2017. In motion training. That's what that shit called. I'm gonna let y'all see it. In motion training. They training for y'all ass. And this is in New York. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. I'm gonna break it down. Okay? I'm gonna break this shit down. Let's get the full. Let me get y'all the full effect of this shit. Yeah.
I'll just bring that on.
That's all right. I have been up here. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kathy Kramer, and I'm the new CEO of LIFT, Legal Information for Families Today. And I just wanted to tell you.
Now, y'all thought that was talking about Uber. She thought you were talking about she competing against Uber, huh? Lyft, huh? That's good, huh? Y'all thought she was talking about that, right? Yeah. Listen to her.
LIFT does very briefly, because we provide legal information in family court in the 5 boroughs of New York City. We have a lawyer in each court, and we run sort of a help desk in the morning on the issues of child support, custody, visitation, and some domestic violence work. And we see anybody and everybody who comes into family court. We often have a long line at our help desk. In the afternoons, we do more intensive meetings with litigants who have more complex issues, and we call them our family legal centers. And the exciting thing is that we're able to work with over 30,000 litigants a year, because we're not doing representation, we're just doing legal information. But going forward, we're expanding our mission a little bit. We're going to start providing some legal advice, which as lawyers we're very excited about. And then we're also going to be doing some really interesting pro bono work, building off the success of the volunteer attorney program, where we bring attorneys, the court brings attorneys down to the courthouse to work with litigants in a family legal center type of situation. We're now going to start to use technology so we can get more pro bono services. Does this sound, I mean, this is a lot of feedback. Anyway, more pro bono services to litigants in family court by using technology, and we're developing a platform with Pro Bono Net. And so we're going to be rolling that out in the fall. And I know many of you are from law firms, so we'd love to work with you once we get this system up and running.
So, you see what's going on, right? Huh? You see what the fuck going on? They planning to take more of your money and take your booty. I take that back. They plan on taking your booty. And some of your backside. Your behind. Yeah, they gather together peacefully. They eating off your oh man, they eating off your money. They having dinner in there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, go to this video. Exactly. They making plans for y'all punk asses.
It's all on the topics that you seem interested in because you're here. So obviously child support is a huge part of our work, and we're so happy to be supporting this training and working with organizations like Her Justice to get more and more support in the family court.
Her justice. You know what her justice is? Lay down on her back, get on her knees, and please. That's justice. It's just these nuts. Okay? Just these nuts.
On these issues. So I hope you have a great training, and thank you, Proskauer, and I'll turn it back to you.
Okay, thank you. So just a couple words about Her Justice. I don't want to take up a lot of time because we have some really great speakers to talk to you. As many of you may know, Her Justice is an organization that works with low-income women in New York City and their children.
What did she say? Work with low-income women to come snitch on you fellas because she wanted to be disobedient, so she gonna go tell. Go give up your shit. And here come the games. Let the games begin. Right? Right? Pussy love pussy. Look at this shit. I'm not lying. These women are lay in the bed with the other women and start eating away like a goddamn... Look at her. She want to eat her now.
And we partner with law firms and other corporations to provide pro bono services to women in the areas of family, matrimonial, and immigration.
Did they say men? I'm trying to wake you... I'm going to send a dildo squad to a bunch of you niggas who want to wake up, especially in New York. The dildo squad is going to come your way and beat you in your head till you wake up. Yeah, it's for women. You just heard her say that come out of her fucking mouth. Right?
So I just want a quick show of hands of who from Her Justice is here. We have staff. I know we have a lot of staff. Hi, guys. And then do we have any Her Justice pro bono attorneys here? Great, thank you. Externs? Anyone who's taken a case from Her Justice before? Okay, great. Thank you all for being here. This is an advanced support training, so we do assume some basic child support knowledge. So we're going to assume that you know about the child support formula and some basic things about family court. What we're going to be talking to you about today is a deeper dive into some of the more advanced topics such as discovery, imputing income, and enforcement. I have put some index cards on everyone's table. So this is, we're planning to have a longer Q&A session at the end of the program, but if you think of questions as the program is going on, feel free to write them down on the index card. We have Martha and Naomi here in the middle who are going to help me. If you have a question, just sort of wave your index card and they'll come around and collect it and bring it up to me. And I did not introduce myself. My name is Anna Ognabeni, and I'm a senior staff attorney at Her Justice. I was so excited to introduce everybody else, I forgot myself. And with that, I will introduce our illustrious panel today. So we have Yira Zhu, who is here from Kroll. She's the Associate Director of Investigations and Disputes. She's a certified public accountant and a certified fraud examiner, specializes in complex financial...
You heard that? Man, just listen to what they saying, man. Retarded.
Investigations, public company regulatory filing review, public record searches, construction monitorships, and business intelligence investigations. It's a really impressive list. In particular, why she's here today is that she's also a strong supporter of our work at Her Justice, and we have partnered with Kroll on many child support cases where the respondent's income was either unknown or underreported, or in cases where the respondent maybe should have been working but was deliberately not working to avoid his child support obligations. Yiro has been really instrumental in a few complex cases. She served as a forensic accountant and an expert witness in some of our cases, and so we're going to ask her to talk a little bit about that work. And then to her left, we have support magistrate David Kirschblum. who has been a support magistrate since 2000. Before that, he was a senior attorney and then the head of the Matrimonial and Family Law Department at Gorlick, Kravitz, and Listhouse, PC. Pardon me, you were appointed to the family court bench in 98, but started hearing child support petitions in 2000. Before that, he was doing public assistance cases where the children were receiving public assistance. At first, he started in New York County Family Court. He's presided over many celebrity cases, including the matters of Mick Jagger, Al Pacino, Harvey Keitel, Sean Combs, and Wesley Snipes. So hopefully he can describe some of those. And then in July 2003...
You hear that? Huh? You hear that? Oh yeah, watch this.
Transferred to Queens County Family Court, where he currently sits and hears approximately 25 to 30 paternity, spousal support, and child support cases per day. So we're really excited to have you both here, and I want to dive right into the program. So the first section of our program is going to be about finding and imputing income, and I want to start with Yuru. Maybe, Yuru, you can just tell us a little bit about what you do as a forensic accountant and how you can help attorneys doing support cases.
So forensic accounting is really, sorry, I'm a little short for this mic. Forensic accounting, broadly speaking, is really just the application of our financial and accounting expertise to the review of available records and also filling in the gaps where your information may be insufficient to formulate a certain opinion or determination as to what assets or income somebody has in a divorce scenario. And subpoenaed the ride receipts of this person's livery car activity, I suppose, from the Taxi and Limousine Commission going back about a year or two. And they were very incomplete. They didn't have any mileage or fares or anything that you could directly determine income from, but what they had was pickup times and addresses. So I basically just created a relatively simple Excel model where I...
Mayor's office...
Kirschbaum, and just switch to you for a minute.
Now listen to this
if you have
person.
any reactions to that, if you were in a courtroom and someone came with an expert report on a livery cab driver with that, I mean, how would you treat that?
So first of all, I want to, can everybody hear me over there? Good. I want to thank Anna for inviting me, and I certainly want to show my appreciation in not only attending, but to recognize the hard work that her justice does. Your participation and your activities make the court's job easier, because litigants who are coming in already emotional, who have someone, an advocate who can speak on their behalf, makes things a lot easier for the court.
What this shit called? Motion, right? I've told y'all niggas, emotion means emotion, because you're dealing with women. This shit ain't got nothing to do with these children. Did they talk about the children one time? Hell no. And we at Shamstoppers, we trying to help y'all ass keep money in your fucking pocket. But you gotta invest. They invest in their time, thinking of ways and taking your shit. Yeah, they preying on the bitch. She go down there and she go to these motherfuckers. You heard who he fuck with, right? He going broke, so he want to make y'all stay broke. Better wake the fuck up in New York. This shit right up under y'all motherfucking nose. She's preying on her children's downfall. Yeah, I'm finna show you a cold video next, goddammit. I'm finna show you another cold video. It's gonna be called Undue Burdens. Undue Burdens. How dirty these bitches is. Man, y'all, it's gonna piss y'all off. I don't know if y'all seen it. Some of y'all probably seen this shit. Some of y'all probably seen this shit. Yeah. Emotional. Emotion is an emotion. So when you file that paperwork, we want a motion according to something, and you file something, well, we want to file this motion. They get mad. It ain't nothing but getting mad at who files the better paperwork, motherfuckers. Hit us up. Peace.